Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can stop your Instagram story from being shared on your Facebook. By that I mean if you guys have turned on auto sharing setting on your Instagram, whenever you upload a story on your Instagram, it'll automatically be uploaded on your Facebook. But since you don't want to do that, let me show you how to turn that setting off. First thing is you want to click on your profile picture at the bottom right. Once you're inside your Instagram profile, click on the three line at the top right of your screen, also known as the hamburger menu icon. Once you click on it, you want to click on the first option where it says settings. And inside of settings, over here at the top where it says search, just click on search. And over here in search, just type story. After you search for story, the first option story, click on it. And it's going to take you inside Instagram story section. Once you're inside over here, scroll a bit down. And the last option where it says sharing, it says share your story to Facebook. So mine is already off, which means my story is not going to be shared on my Facebook. So you also have to make sure this setting is off as well. And if you want to turn the other settings off, like allow sharing story or allow sharing to messages, you can turn that off as well. But basically the most important one is share your story to Facebook. Make sure that is off. If that is off, then basically Instagram will not share your story on Facebook. So if you make sure that's off, then you have done it. So that's how you guys can stop sharing your Instagram story to Facebook. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel, how to guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.